Hello and welcome to www.sarkari-naukri.in. Since we understand that how difficult it is for you to find a suitable job in this competitive era, so here we are providing you a common platform on this website so that you could find a right one for you. This website provides you employment news of garment sector in India, and we are updating our website with 60 to 70 jobs every day on a regular basis so that you could have more options. More than this, the provided language of this website can be converted in other languages as well, which have already mentioned on the website. And these languages are Hindi, Gujarati, Marathi, Bengali, Tamil, Telugu and Kannada. So in this video, I'll explain you that how can you search a suitable job for you on this website. So let's begin.
On the top of the website, there is a drop-down menu which carry different categories where you can filter the jobs according to your requirement. First one is jobs by companies. Suppose if you are looking for job in railway, then you have to select jobs by companies. Then click on the railway. There you can find railway related vacancies. Next is jobs by post. Here, if you are interested in the position clerk, then you may select the option clerk, and there you can see the related information. Another is jobs by qualification. Here you can search the jobs keeping your qualification in your mind. If you are graduate, then select the option graduates. Here you get to know all vacancies for graduates. Next comes jobs by state. For example, if you require a job in Delhi, then select the option Delhi, and here you will see all available vacancies in Delhi. Last one is jobs in bank. In this section, you can get job information in many banks, and for this you have to click on jobs in bank. But suppose if you are interested in SBI banks, so by selecting the option SBI, you will be displayed available vacancies in SBI. Apart from these all, there are two more options from where you can search jobs for you. First one is search box. Here you can type any keyword related to your company, post, qualification, state and bank, and then click on the search button. Then you will be displayed all related jobs. Second one is advanced search. When you click on it, so there is a drop down menu where you have to select qualification, city and state. Then you can click on the search button. There you will see all related jobs. To get free daily email alerts, you can register on our website. For this, you have to enter your email ID and then press on subscribe. In this window, you need to complete subscription request by typing the provided text in the box and press the button complete subscription request, and then you need to check your mail ID to activate your subscription.
So follow us on Facebook, Twitter and G+ for new jobs, and you can watch more videos related to Sarkari Naukri on YouTube/Sarkari Naukri. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.